recipe is mayo chicken sandwich. A sandwich that can be made under 10 minutes, added with veggies. So let's start. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and half onion and saute it for about 1 minute. Then add capsicum and saute it for about a minute again. Now you can add the other veggies of your choice. I'll be adding cabbage and carrots. Finely chop the veggies so that they can cook fast. Now saute it about 2 to 3 minutes. So now you can see all the veggies have almost cooked. So now we'll be adding shredded chicken. I have boiled the chicken in salt and 1 tablespoon of pepper. Saute this mixture properly and mix it well. And now it's almost done. So now transfer it into a bowl and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. So then we'll add ranch sauce. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of ranch sauce. You can use even 3 as per your preference and taste. Then add 1 tablespoon of mayo. I'm using this brand. You can use any. Then add half a tablespoon of pepper powder. So now I'll be adding kiri cheese. This cheese gives a very different taste to this whole mixture. So try using this cheese instead of Amul and any other cheese. Then I'll be adding chili and garlic seasoning of this particular brand. You just have to use half tablespoon of this seasoning. Then I'll be adding paprika powder of this particular brand. You can use any. Just half a tablespoon of this paprika powder is enough. Mix the batter evenly. There should be no lumps of cheese remaining in the batter. Last but not the least ingredient, Thousand Island dressing. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of this. Mix properly once you add the Thousand Island dressing. I prefer using this because it gives a very different and tangy little taste to this whole batter. So try using this. If you don't have it, it's just okay. Also note one more thing, the ingredients what I showed, if you do not have the same brand, it's just okay. So now that the batter is evenly mixed, we'll be taking brown bread. You can use any, you can use the white one also. Spread evenly the whole batter onto the bread. Now the leaf is optional, you can use the lettuce leaf or no, it's up to you. And there you go, your delicious sandwich is ready. Hope you all like the delicious recipe of this sandwich. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of our delicious and easy recipes. Do follow us on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching.